What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. I'm super excited for this one. This is going to be a huge restock, so sit back, grab a snack, and enjoy. We are starting off with Chanel number 2. She is my baby, very thick and glossy, scented like Bubblicious bubblegum, and she is the queen of the Unicorn slime shop. Fig Newton is a really cool color shift slime, so depending on what type of light source you're exposed to, that is what is going to determine the color of the slime. It's really cool. It can shift from brown to green to red. It's really nice. I love the texture of this thick clear slime, and it's just really good, and it's scented like kiwi and watermelon. If you follow me on Instagram at Unicorn Slime Shop, then you probably will know this slime. This is Unicorn Lip Gloss. I spammed this one all over my accounts. I just love this slime so much. It is a rose gold pigmented slime, so it's a really nice rose gold base color. There are also some gold flakes in there as well, and it is scented like cotton candy and strawberry, which is really nice. This slime is so thick, so stretchy. It's just perfect. It's the perfect clear slime with a perfect scent and a perfect color. Coming back from a short break, we have Amethyst Sugar Scrub. This one is definitely one of my favorite textures for sure. If you don't know what a sugar scrub slime is, it's basically a slime that is packed with these sugar beads. They kind of look like sugar, that's why they're called sugar beads. It's really nice and it provides a nice crunch. There are also some colored fishbowl beads in here as well in various shades of purple, just to kind of go with the amethyst theme. I just love this slime so much, very crunchy. So if you're down with crunchy slimes, then you'll be down with this one. And it is scented like vanilla and black cherry merlot, which is so good. And it's also packed with a bunch of iridescent glitters and lavender glitters, and also some unicorn skin in there as well. Funfetti cake frosting is a really nice cloud cream slime that is scented like birthday cake, and there's a bunch of foam beads just scattered in there. They're rainbow colored, so it kind of just reminds you of the whole Funfetti kind of theme. I love the cloud cream slimes. They're one of my favorite textures, so sizzly and spreadable, almost like a butter slime. It's just really nice, so I would definitely try to go for this one. Pearberry butter is a butter slime that is scented like pears and mixed berry. It's just really, really nice, and this green color is everything. It's so sizzly and smooth and spreadable as well. This is definitely the best butter slime that we've had in the shop for sure. So if you're in love with our butter slimes, you should definitely get this one because you'll be even more in love with this one. There is a bunch of gold and brown glitters throughout this as well, just to kind of represent the flecks inside of the pear, like the little freckles. And yeah, it's just really, really nice, and I would definitely put this one in your cart. It's like a must-have. Rainbow Puff is a really cool clear-based pom-pom slime that you all actually helped me name on Instagram, so thank you for that. This one is really, really nice, and it is unscented, so if you have a scent allergy or just don't like scents in your slime, this one would be perfect for you. I love all the little pom-poms in there. You can squish them, and it just makes really cool popping noises, and it's just really fun. Candyfloss is a really thick cloud slime scented like cotton candy. It also comes with a random candy charm, and it is topped with a bunch of pink iridescent glitters on top of it as well that you can totally mix in yourself. I really love this one. You do have to work for the drizzle a little bit, just like any other cloud slime, but if you find that you're having trouble with drizzling this one, all you have to do is put a little bit of borax solution into it, and it should drizzle just perfectly. I went ahead and I left in the drizzling part. That way you all can see just the variation of drizzles. This one has a bunch of different types of drizzles, and it's really, really nice, just depending on how much you work with it. So just keeping that in mind. If you want it a lot fluffy, then all you have to do is drizzle it a lot. Melted bubblegum ice cream is definitely my favorite in this entire restock. I love it so much. It's really, really nice, scented like bubblegum and vanilla, like 2 different scents of bubblegum, by the way, so it's not just like a plain bubblegum. This one is hand mixed and it smells just like bubblegum ice cream. It's really, really nice. This one has some bubblegum chunks in there as well that I made myself from clay, and it's just really good. It's like a classic slime based type of texture, and I really love it, and it's just really good. Mystery cereal milk is back again this week, just like every other week, and it is scented like a random cereal, so you're never going to know what you're going to get until you actually get it in your hands and you smell it. It's really, really nice. Let me tell you, this week is my favorite scent for sure. I think I say that every week, but it's just really, really good, and we're finding more and more cereal scents, so I will keep this going as long as there are some cereal scents to make it a mystery, you know? Citrus Sherbert Splash is a phloem slime with a orange side and a yellow slide. They come separate so you can mix it in yourself. It's really, really cool. It is scented like lemon drop and orange sherbet, which is really nice. And the base of this slime is really, really thick as well. This slime has really, really good bubble pops for days, honestly, and it's just really good. Tomic Candy Donut is a slime that is inspired by a new Dunkin' Donut. That was kind of weird to say. You probably have seen me mixing this slime here on Instagram. If you follow me there on Instagram, this one's really nice. It's scented like glazed donuts and cotton candy, which is honestly everything to me. It smells so, so good. And it's just packed with a bunch of large and small foam beads. It's really nice. And each of the slime is going to come with a random donut charm. So it's pretty, pretty cool. Detox Water is one of my best sellers. It's a really nice, thick, clear slime, and it comes with one random fruit charm and a bunch of Fimo slices that are stuck down in the middle of the slime. It's just really, really nice, and if you like clear slimes, want something unscented, this is definitely the one to go for. Blue Raspberry Cream Slush is actually inspired by a Sonic slush. It's like a real thing. It smells like the real thing. It's really nice. It's an icy textured slime, so it legit looks like an icy. I put it back in the container like once I swirled it, so you all can see it looks like an icy. Like put a straw in it and drink it. It's so crazy. I really love the texture of it. It's very squishy, almost like a jelly slime. However, it's more holdable, and it's just really good. Strawberry Cheesecake is a snow fizz slime. It is super crunchy and scented just like the name. I really love this one. If you want me to stock more of these type of texture slimes, I never really do, but let me know in the comment section down below and I'll definitely bring back a couple more. It's really crunchy, great for bubble pops, and I love it. Oreo Filling is back again this week. It sold out pretty fast last week actually, so if you want this one, I would suggest getting there a little bit early to the website, just saying. This one is an Oreo scented cloud cream. It's just a basic white cloud cream with black sprinkles in there just to kind of represent the little crushed up Oreo pieces that you find in the filling sometimes. It's really good and totally reminds me of its name, and I love it. Alrighty, well that was pretty much it for this restocking video. I really hope you found something that you would like to purchase. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!